Healthily, tomorrow we expect new numbers on the measles epidemic after the death of a second young child linked to the outbreak. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. went to the child's funeral yesterday in West Texas. On social media, RFK Jr. wrote, quote, "The most effective way to prevent the spread of measles is the MMR vaccine." That's the measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine. But before the U.S. Senate confirmed Kennedy to lead the Department of Health and Human Services Department in a 52-48 vote, mostly along partisan lines, Kennedy had made several comments, at the very least skeptical, surely ignorant, and in many cases just false about vaccines, such as these.
There's no vaccine that is, safe and effective. You go into negative efficacy. So you are more, if you got vaccinated, you're more likely to get sick. You're more likely to get severe illness, and you're more likely to die than if you were unvaccinated.
False, false, false. And during 2019 measles outbreak in American Samoa, RFK Jr., who visited the island and boosted the anti-vax contingencies there, sent a letter to the Samoan Prime Minister suggesting that a vaccine may have been responsible for causing the outbreak, which is not the case. He wrote, quote, "There's also the possibility that children who received the live measles virus during Samoa's recent vaccination drive may have shed the virus and inadvertently infected vulnerable children. It's a regrettable possibility that these children are casualties of Merck's vaccine." The children were not casualties of Merck's vaccine. Here now is CNN's medical correspondent, Meg Terrell. Meg, where